Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the fiscal year in QuickBooks. Whether you're managing your own finances or handling a business, keeping everything aligned with your fiscal objectives is crucial, and it all starts with setting the correct fiscal year in QuickBooks. Let's dive in. First, sign into QuickBooks Online. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Click the sign in button, enter your credentials, and hit continue. This will take you straight to your QuickBooks dashboard where you can access all your financial information. Next, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen. This icon is your main control hub for account settings. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. This opens a window where you can adjust the core settings that dictate how QuickBooks works for you. Once inside Account and Settings, navigate to the Advanced tab on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find several options related to your account's core settings. Scroll down to the accounting section. This is where you'll make the change. You'll see an option called Close the Books. Turning this on essentially locks your financial data up to a specific point in time, which is helpful for maintaining accurate records as you move into a new fiscal year. Now, select your closing date. Choose a date that aligns with the end of your fiscal year. Be sure this date accurately reflects your fiscal calendar, as it's essential for generating accurate reports and keeping your financial documentation organized. Once you've set the date, finalize everything by clicking Save and Done. This ensures that all your changes are securely stored within QuickBooks, and that's it. You've successfully updated your fiscal year in QuickBooks. Following these steps keeps your financial records up to date and in line with your actual fiscal year, which is invaluable for smooth business management. Thanks for watching. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on changing your fiscal year in QuickBooks. Happy bookkeeping!